continue our examination of the very important subject of Tawassul. We've examined Shafa'ah before, we examined Tawassul. Is there any basis for Tawassul in the Holy Quran, in the ahadith of Ahlul Bayt, peace be upon them? When we engage in the act of Tawassul and we turn to the righteous servants of Allah, like the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Imams of Ahlul Bayt, is that an act of shirk? Is that tantamount to ascribing partners to Allah? Or that lies at the core of Tawheed, the way that Allah wants us to worship Him? We examined that, and then we mentioned a number of pieces of evidence from Sunni books of hadith that there is actually Tawassul. A fifth piece of evidence that we can cite to demonstrate that even if the Prophet ﷺ dies, passes away, he still has blessings for those who are living. This hadith is mentioned in the book of Ad-Darimi, a Sunni scholar. He has a book called the Sunan. He cites the following hadith. He says, the people of Medina experienced an extreme drought, such that their livelihood was impacted, their crops, their livestock. So they went to Aisha, the wife of the Prophet, and they told her, we're suffering from extreme drought. What should we do? What is the advice that Aisha gave them? She told them, "Unzuru qabra nabi." Go to the grave of the Prophet. The Prophet has now passed away, he's dead. The Wahhabis, they say, that's it, he's dead, he's useless. You can't do any tawassul, tawajjuh, can't help you, he's dead. In this hadith, Aisha says, go to the grave of the Prophet, uncover the ceiling, such that the grave of the Prophet is exposed to the sky. Let the grave of the Prophet be directly under the sky. There shouldn't be any barrier, because the Prophet was buried in a room. Remove that ceiling. This is the instruction of Aisha, the wife of the Prophet. The narrator of this hadith, who is Abu al-Jawza Aus ibn Abdullah. He's the narrator of this hadith. Abu al-Jawza Aus ibn Abdullah. He says, we took the advice of Aisha, we uncovered the ceiling, then such a severe rainstorm came to Medina, such that everything turned green. The dead grass became green. And that year, the camels, they had such a prosperous year, they became overweight. That's how much grass was available to them. Question to those who doubt Tawassul. This hadith is not in a Shia book, it's in a Sunni book. And it's Aisha, which they revere so much, who's narrating this hadith. Why is it that when the grave of the Prophet was uncovered, Allah sent down the rain and the drought in Medina ended? Isn't this proof that the Prophet ﷺ has barakah even after his death? So if the Prophet has such blessings, if I ask Allah to give me from that blessing, if I say, Ya Rasulullah, ask Allah to send the rain, that's shirk. So this is one piece of evidence that demonstrates the companions of the Prophet, those who lived with the Prophet, understood Tawassul. That if you want the blessings of Allah, you go through the Prophet ﷺ. Another piece of evidence, the sixth one, Malik ibn Anas, the leader of the Maliki school of thought, in his Kitab al-Muwatta, he has a book of hadith called al-Muwatta. He states that Ibn Umar, the son of Umar ibn al-Khattab, whenever he would come back to Medina from traveling, he would stand at the grave of the Prophet and he would say, As-salamu alayka ya Rasulallah. Why would he do that? Today, by the way, I myself have witnessed this. If you go to the Hajj, I don't know about today, but 10, 15 years ago, when the Wahhabi ideology had a strong control of the holy sites in Mecca and Medina, when you would go to the grave of the Prophet and you would talk to the Prophet and you would say, Ya Rasulullah, and you would say something, I remember they have these sticks in their hands, they would punish you. Shirk, don't say this. The Prophet is dead, don't talk to him. Ibn Umar, the son of Umar ibn al-Khattab, according to Malik, Al-Imam Malik, he says whenever he would come back from traveling, the first thing he would do, he would go to the mosque of the Prophet and he would address the grave of the Prophet and he would say, Assalamu alayka ya Rasulullah. So if the Prophet is dead and that's it, there's no blessings coming from him, why would Ibn Umar do that? This is all evidence that the companions of the prophets, the companions of the Prophet, they understood very well the concept of wasila. That even if the Prophet dies, we seek his blessings.